फाइनली फॉग लाइट लगाने का जो काम है वो स्टार्ट हो चुका है एंड आई हैव ऑप्टेड फॉर दिस HJG fog lights which have 3 modes basically. Price is quite economical, I find it very economical. थोड़ा सा लो आवाज़ है because I'm not well today, I'm having fever. एनीवे से काम करने के बाद लेट्स लीव होम, क्योंकि काम करने में ही बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है। अपना जो स्कूटी का फ्रंट पार्ट है वो खोलना ही बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है। Now if you are planning to install a fog light, you need some accessories along with it. That is a different switch holder. Wow. So ये अपना एक पार्ट निकल गया। Okay, what I was saying, if you want to install a fog light, you'll have to buy some accessories. That is different plug switch basically for controlling the fog light. You just need a bit of extra wire depending upon where you want to place your fog lights. Because बाइक में क्या है कि बाइक में you can install it just adjacent to the headlights. Some people also go for the bottom part of the bike. But scooty में ऐसा है कि scooty में you have to install it on the bottom side. So it's very complicated. Let me show you. So guys, this is the Wolf and यहाँ जो screw है, you can see there's a screw hole out here. इसको खोल चुका है दीपक जी ने एंड उसके बाद ये निकलेगा एंड द होल कंसोल विल बी कमिंग आउट। उसके बाद यहाँ पे फॉग लाइट लगाना है। सो आई हैव टू ड्रिल अ होल आउट हियर। So basically we have one hole for the light and one hole for the wire ना, for the wire। तो इस वाले पे लगेगा बल्ब और इसके पीछे से निकलेगा वायर जो कि अंदर से निकलेगा आउट हियर। Welcome back to the channel. A very good morning. Today is the 24th of December. Christmas is almost knocking at the door and I would like to wish a Merry Christmas to all my subscribers who are connected to me in my YouTube channel. This video is about the fog light installation. You must have seen how it was installed and I had to drill up these areas to install the fog light. And finally I have installed the HJG fog lights, which are one of the best fog lights according to me. For me, I found this fog light as one of the best fog lights. The reason being, it has many patterns. Let me talk about the patterns. The first pattern is the red pattern, which is personally my favorite because it matches with my vehicle, the color of my vehicle. Second, we have the yellow light. Yellow light is very much useful in foggy areas because when you are riding on the foggy areas, white light doesn't lit up the street that much compared to the yellow light. So the second pattern is the yellow light. The third pattern you have is the white light, which is very bright, brighter than my headlight, so you can understand. Now after that we have the strobes. Now the ones who do not know about strobe, let me tell you, strobe is basically when you have these flickering lights on. First we have the yellow strobe where your only yellow light flickers. Then we have the white strobe where the white light flickers. After that we have a mix of yellow and white. And lastly we have my favorite, that is the red flashes. It looks completely awesome at night when I'm riding on the streets. Now talking about fog lights, I've seen that most, I'm sorry for the sound, the background sound, बट मेरे पास ज़्यादा कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स है नहीं कि मैं साउंड को रिड्यूस कर सकूँ. आई बिन ट्राइंग लेटली बट माई यूट्यूब इज़ नॉट ग्रोइंग. क्योंकि आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हो यार. सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार. Flashlights. I've seen most of the riders actually use fog lights in a good way, whereas some people in that crowd, they use fog lights just for show. When I'm riding on the streets are fully lit up and there's no sign of fog. Still, I see people flashing out their lights, causing a danger for themselves as well as the fellow riders. चलो फॉग लाइट की बात होगी. अब मैं आपको कुछ और मॉडिफिकेशंस दिखाता हूँ जो मैंने अपने स्कूटी में किया, जो कॉस्मेटिक चेंजेस कहते हैं ना. मॉडिफिकेशन इट डजंट मीन लाइक आई चेंज माय एग्जॉस्ट और एनीथिंग, नथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. बेसिकली आई हैव मेड सम कॉस्मेटिक चेंजेस. मेरा इलेक्ट्रिकल चेंजेस भी है बट अभी दिन के वक्त मैं आपको दिखा नहीं सकता. ऑलरेडी द सन इज राइट ऑन टॉप ऑफ माई हेड. रात के वक्त आई ट्राई टू शो यू इन सिनेमैटिक शॉट हाउ इलेक्ट्रिकल द लाइट्स एक्चुअली लिट अप. वैसे मेरा कैमरा क्वालिटी उतना कुछ खास नहीं है, सो प्लीज़ forgive me for my shots. So the first cosmetic change which you get to notice in my vehicle is this particular part. I'm very much in love with Wolf, इसलिए मैंने अपने जो vehicle का नाम है उसको भी Wolf रखा हुआ है. If you're following me on Instagram, you'll know about it. If you haven't followed, this is my handle. Please follow it up. So I am very much attracted towards Wolf. That is the reason I wanted a Wolf theme out here. So मैंने इस वाले portion को, usually it's black in color, I've wrapped it in a wolf theme which looks absolutely amazing. Then I've actually changed my number plate. वैसे let me tell you something about number plate. You cannot change both the number plates because this is a customized number plate, but you need to have one original number plate in your vehicle which is behind. मैंने पीछे वाला भी जो है number plate मैंने सोचा था कि change कर दूँ but I did not change. Now moving on, I have these stickers. See, I do not usually install stickers and all until and unless it has a deep meaning. Like this one out here, you can see be valuable, not available. And we have these this helmet sticker. I brought an Exor helmet, so I got the stickers. We have SMK sticker out here because I brought a helmet of SMK. And these all a bit of cosmetic changes. 90s kid, this is something really amazing. बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि ये स्टिकर तुझे कहाँ से मिला? Because I'm actually a 90s kid, and the ones watching my videos who belong to the 90s generations, they'll actually love it. We have this very important, very meaningful sticker. Let me just focus it. Kings always wear their crown. This is something which has actually inspired me a lot, and I want to inspire my audience through my YouTube videos and all. The ones who are not wearing helmet, please do wear your helmet, because जो सर है वो बहुत important चीज़ है. If you crash and if you have an injury in your head, that will be very fatal. So please, even if you're going to a market to buy something just nearby your home, please wear a helmet. It just takes hardly 2-3 minutes to wear a helmet. This is another favorite sticker of mine. Jai Hind. Then we have the Rhinox gear because I have a Rhinox riding jacket. This headlight I've just wrapped it in 50% black film. अभी आपको दिखेगा नहीं क्योंकि दिन के वक्त वैसे कुछ वो है नहीं उतना कुछ. But I've wrapped it in 70%, sorry not 50% but 70% black film, which looks absolutely amazing. अब अगर मैं कंट्रोल्स की बात करूँ, दिस आउट हियर इज़ बेसिकली द हज़ार्ड लाइट बिकॉज क्योंकि मेरे जो स्कूटी में है उसमें बेसिकली एक डेडिकेटेड स्विच नहीं है हज़ार्ड लाइट्स के लिए. सो इफ़ आई हैव टू राइड इन फॉगी रोड्स एंड ऑल, आई डू नॉट हैव द फ्लैशेस इंस्टॉल्ड इन इट, सो आई हैड टू गेट इट डन आफ्टर मार्केट. सो आई जस्ट इंस्टॉल्ड द हज़ार्ड लाइट आउट हियर. And then we have another switch out here. This is basically for the fog lights. I've basically placed them in areas which will actually suit the scooty. It will not look too much exaggerated, or I don't want to mess up the whole place out here. So I've just installed in both the mirrors. जो शीशे हैं मैंने उसको निकाला नहीं है, जो stock है वही रखा हुआ है, because mirrors are another important part of your vehicle. We have the original number plate, the indicators को भी मैंने 70% जो है wrap किया हुआ है. The Exor helmet stickers and all. I'm very fascinated about these stickers and all, not just random stickers but stickers which basically have meanings in it. This was all the cosmetic change that I've done. this was it about the cosmetic changes that I've done on my vehicle, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video. If you've watched my video for the very first time, I would like to request you, please subscribe to my channel, because it takes a lot of efforts to make a video. So please subscribe to my channel. और एक डाउट था मेरे पास, आप मेरे को कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कि व्हेन शुड आई पोस्ट द वीडियो. लेट्स प्लान अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम फॉर द वीडियो, तो उसी टाइम पे मैं वीडियोस अपलोड करूँगा. प्लीज़ लेट मी नो विच टाइम इज़ परफेक्ट टू अपलोड अ यूट्यूब वीडियो. प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन विच टाइम शुड आई अपलोड द वीडियोज़, and drop in your suggestions, drop in your comments, whatever you want me to do on my vehicle. If I find it beneficial for my vehicle, I would definitely like to do it. और आपको क्या अच्छा लगा वो भी लिखना कमेंट में, और आप किस चीज़ में थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए उसको भी लिख देना, और कमेंट सेक्शन में भर देना अपने जो फीडबैक्स हैं. मैं आपको मिलता हूँ नई वीडियो में. टिल देन, स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे सेफ, एंड यस, ऑलवेज बी द रीज़न समबडी स्माइल्स. पीस.